Alright, here we go. We got this bad boy right here. Okay, so this is a mad speed 1/10 scale drift car. So you have 4-wheel drive right there, as you can see. Let's see. Anything else? Just some warnings. Let's look at this. So it has unique centralized low center of gravity, a CNC aluminum upper deck, CNC aluminum center drive, aluminum mount, motor mount, durable oil-filled shocks. That's really good. It's an oil-filled. Precision ball bearings, adjustable linkage, high-performance motor and ECS, reliable radio control system. We'll see about that. Battery and charger included. So this is an RTR design, a ready to go pretty much. It's fully built, so you don't have to build anything. It's by Mad Speed there. It's a Drift King SK. It's in red. And I mean, right here in the picture, you can see that it seems to be like a Nissan 350Z with a wing and everything. But the one that I got was obviously the R35 Nissan GTR. Anything down here? Alright. Okay. So let's just get on into it. It's a little hard there. There you go. You can see there the R35. Doesn't say Nissan or GTR or anything like that, but I mean, if you're a car guy, you can definitely tell with these taillights what kind of car this is. Alright, let's take this out. Have some goodies there. Take a look at that right there. Some tape there holding on to the bubble wrap, but look at that. All right, so let's see what we got here. Just some instruction manuals, I guess, on how the whole RC car is put together. Seems like there's some extra parts there, some keys. But yeah, it seems like just an overall diagram of all the parts that are put in. I'm looking at the shocks, aluminum shocks. Not bad, so I'm pretty sure that this is just extra. Okay, now let's see what we got here. So here, charger. Let's open this up and take a look. Now, I don't believe that this is a lithium-ion battery, but I mean, it is pretty good for the affordable price tag of, I believe it was $150. So, got the charger there. Put that to the side. And I'm pretty sure that this is the receiver right here. Alright, not too bad. Nice feel, nice rubber texture there. Let's see. Yep, you got everything to control it. You got there, that, low, R, on, off, trigger here. Not too bad, and I believe it is, yep, 4 AA batteries that you need. It's a pretty good transmitter. Feels okay. It's decent for the price, you know, nothing extravagant. But let's peel that off. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, so now here we have the drift car here, the R35. I mean, stickers aren't that good, but I mean, not really looking for cosmetics really in these types of cars. Then looks pretty good. Let's look underneath the hood, to say the least. Take out these hood pins. And now let's look at the main function of this bad boy. Alright, so we have the battery right there. You have your whole suspension system. Nice little diffuser. Let's see. Nothing important there. Can take that off. Got your whole motor, transmitter, receiver, everything. Steering. Got nice little rotors and everything. Nice foam guard here, you know, because with these kind of cars you'll be crashing into a lot of things. Take a better look at that. So let's just take a look at the body. I mean, right there would set up GTR, but I mean, everyone that looks at this car obviously is gonna know that it's an R35 Nissan GTR. Nothing on the inside, no lighting or anything like that. You could always do that, but decided not to go with it. It's pretty nice that they put some mufflers here just to add to the realism of the car. Nice wing. It's actually pretty supportive here for nice exterior designs. Stickers, everything like that. Definitely looks good. So, let's see how much. Alright, so let's see how much car weighs. 3 pounds and 7 ounces with everything attached to it. Nice paint job there. And I will be getting another body just to switch up the design a little bit for in the future.